Tell me more about what is the brand behavior towards AI chatbots and all is coming out. Like, what are they wanting from the bot, and what are they seeing their customers doing with the bots?
Yeah. This actually brings me. Let me start this with giving an example. So there is a company, Indian company, BL Fabric, and they sell lehengas.
Now they were very viral on
Viral last year. Yes.
on Shark Tank.
Right. Right.
1500 रुपए में they were
Selling lehengas, right? And they have grown massively since then. So, we were just doing some analysis on what kind of chat. So they have deployed, they came, and their demographics, if you see जो लहंगा खरीदते हैं etc., they are not very tech savvy. उनके consumers काफी voice
India too को
Exactly. So उनके chats, आपको example बताती हूँ. उनके chats ऐसे होते हैं कि सॉरी मैं अपना पार्सल पिकअप करने नहीं आ पा रही हूँ, मेरे फादर इन लॉ आएंगे, क्या आप मैनेज कर लेंगे? So now the brand deploying an AI has to handle such kind of cases. Second is on लहंगा, यार लहंगा जो आपने भेजा है वो लेंथ में शॉर्ट है, अब मैं क्या करूँ? It's not like I want to do a refund, I want to do a replacement. उन्होंने अपनी प्रॉब्लम बता दी चैट में, अब आप फिगर आउट करो. So there are plethora, because if you're opening up such an infinite way for a user to give input, then you need to ensure you have infinite ways to solve for it. And these are just small examples I gave. Queries are even more complicated.
Out of, so in case of BL Fabric, how much percentage is bot able to handle?
If we talk about the support queries, about 87% bot is able to handle today. And 13% handover हो जाता है.
And what about sales?
And sales में अगर हम, how we measure sales is how much revenue it is driving. So brand का currently about 8.5% revenue is driven by AI bot.
Do you see an overall uplift in conversion of pre and post an AI bot?
वो actually आज के तारीख में बहुत subjective metric है सौरभ, because the way you measure it. Let's say if you are measuring it on our dashboard, let's say any AI chatbot dashboard, then whoever is interacting, you will consider it as a conversion. But brand comes back and says, यार ये तो वैसे भी
मतलब it is an assisted sales, it's not वो buy button नहीं आ रहा अभी.
Exactly.
आ भी रहा है तो is the customer clicking.
Yes, exactly.
Or he might be getting a retargeting later and then he's coming.
Right. So the brand says यार शायद chat नहीं होता तो भी convert हो जाता. How would I know? So incremental sales क्या है? So the only way to measure it is you go to Google Analytics and then you see attribution from the chatbot.
Can we not look at, say, I'm just hypothetically saying the brand was working at say 1.5% conversion before, and you deploy after 3 weeks of stabilization with the same spend, you're able to get.
Yeah. वहाँ पर ऐसा होता है कि ब्रांड्स बोलते हैं मेरी तो वेबसाइट भी मैंने थीम चेंज करी, मैंने तो ये सब
so many changes which are
exactly. If they just concentrate on one thing and do not touch anything else, वो बहुत हार्ड होता है. कभी सेल आ गई इस मंथ एंड हेंस कन्वर्जन ऊपर है, सो वो थोड़ा सब्जेक्टिव हो जाता है from brand to brand.
And there's no way to say कि 5% of people will not see the bot.
That is there. So you can always do a control on the number, and you can put probability like 90% of people should not see the bot, 10%, and you can just have a variation on whom you want.
Hold out कर से.
Yes, that happens.
Incremental uplift.
Yes.
Try करते हैं किसी.
Absolutely.
But people are very wary क्योंकि then if the bot goes off, then support will come.
Yes. The other way to look at it is यार आप सारे वो chats पढ़ लो जहाँ पर order place हुआ है. And see if those chats are relevant, value adding or not.
So if I have to summarize how to measure the impact of bot is, first is on the support, how much percentage of queries the bot can handle itself.
Right.
So that's number one. So if there were 100 chats going in, so how much is human versus this? So maybe first structured bot handles say 50%, then the next 30% is handled by the AI bot, then 20% is handled by human. So the incremental AI bot is the
right
30. And on the sales is the ideal way could be is best hold out, or you can say how much percentage sales are going through assisted.
Exactly. Yeah, and time to time keep checking if the conversation quality is good or bad, and you get those matrices, those scores like assistant readiness score. if your bot is able to answer well when it comes to product recommendation, your bot is able to answer well when it comes to sales and discounts. So for every intent, go and see the score of your bot, that whether it's able to answer well or not. Just like humans, when you start evaluating AI bots again as tools, then you just see the end number. But when you treat them as humans, you literally go do some BGV and then train them better, make them better. Think of AI bots as a platform to you, as a human to you, and put in some efforts to make it better.